It's Nick Ray with the Peoria Riverfront video today about an invisible color of light. There's invisible colors out there besides the ones you can see. Got a picture here showing a rainbow, the red to purple. Those are the colors of the rainbow that we can see, but there are invisible colors beyond purple. We call them ultraviolet, X-ray, gamma ray. And there's invisible colors beyond red. We call them infrared, microwave, and radio. Now, when you see a rainbow in the sky, that's light that's ultimately coming from the sun. And the sun is glowing because it's hot. But even things that aren't glowing, that aren't hot enough to glow with light that we can see, are still warm enough to glow with this invisible infrared color. So we're going to look at the infrared glow from this kid. Hey, you want to tell everybody your name and say hi?
I'm Lucy Myra Wright. I think you've seen me before in another science video.
Yeah, you were in another science video. We're going to look at your infrared light. I've got an infrared camera. So this can see light that we can't see. And I've got it pointed at Lucy, and it's connected to my computer. And we're seeing right now just a black and white look at that. And the bright spots are where there's the most infrared light, which corresponds to the highest temperature. So we see a scale here, hot to cold, bright to dim. And we can see, for example, that Lucy is hotter than the walls behind her. She's a warm-blooded mammal, almost 100 degrees, much warmer than the walls, which are like 70 degrees right now. And we can see her cheeks are a little bit cooler than the rest of her face. And with this infrared camera, with this program we have, we're actually able to change from black and white to false color. So again, this is an invisible color. If you're asking, well, what does it actually look like? It doesn't look like anything to our eyes, but with this program, we can change from black and white to give us a few options. There's one called Arctic. So now the warmer temperatures are orange, yellow, and white. The cooler ones are blue. Can you give us a nice happy face, Lucy? Let's see what a happy infrared Lucy looks like. Cool. All right, let's change from the Arctic false color to iron. All right, can you give us an angry face? Nice, angry iron false color Lucy. And here's one called lava. All right, Lucy, give us a sad face. Sad lava face. You just got covered in lava. Boo-hoo. And let's go to rainbow. What would you look like if you saw a rainbow in the sky?
Excited.
Oh, show us excited. Yippee. And we'll go to another rainbow one with high contrast, so it just shows the different temperatures a little bit better. And why don't you give us a silly face with this? All right, and let me go back one more thing, and I'll show you one more thing on this video with Lucy. We're going to point down to the table in front of her. You can see her reflection in the table. And we're going to move some of the heat from Lucy down to the table. So Lucy, can you put your bare hands on the table, press down on them, and the heat from her hands is going into the table. Now lift your hands up, and the heat is still there. You can see her handprint on the table, only with the infrared camera.
I can see it too.
You can see it?
Oh.
Okay, yeah. With your imagination, you can see it, or you can see it with the infrared camera, because it's still hot from touching there. So I hope you enjoyed our video with the infrared camera. We'll have some more videos in the future using the infrared camera. If you have any questions or suggestions of what we should look at with the infrared camera, you can let us know. As always, thanks to museum members, Visionary Society members for your support of the museum and the virtual Peoria Riverfront Museum. Can you say goodbye, Lucy?
Bye.
Bye.